15 Incredible Health Benefits of Turmeric. Turmeric, this golden spice, has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and cooking. But did you know that it's more than just a flavorful ingredient? Turmeric is a powerhouse of health benefits. Curious how? Let's dive into the 15 incredible ways turmeric can improve your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Healthcare One. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful spices in the world, turmeric. It's not just for adding color to your dishes, but for adding life to your health. Let's jump right into the top 15 benefits of turmeric. Must watch the video till the end to keep you and your family healthy. Number 1. Nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Did you know that turmeric is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory? Its secret lies in curcumin, the active compound that fights inflammation at the molecular level. Curcumin blocks NF-kappa B, a protein linked to inflammation in conditions like arthritis and heart disease. In fact, research from biochemical pharmacology shows curcumin can be as effective as anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the harmful side effects. Whether you're dealing with joint pain or chronic inflammation, adding turmeric to your diet can help reduce inflammation naturally and protect your body from long-term damage. It's nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Now we are going to talk about another health benefit of turmeric, aid digestions. Turmeric is a powerful ally for your digestive system. Its star ingredient, curcumin, boosts bile production, which helps break down fats and makes digestion smoother. Say goodbye to post-meal bloating, gas, and discomfort. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties work wonders in soothing your digestive tract, reducing issues like indigestion and easing symptoms of IBS. Plus, it promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria, supporting overall gut health. Whether you drink it as turmeric water or add it to your meals, this golden spice is a natural way to keep your digestion running smoothly, so you feel lighter and more energized every day. Number 3. Loaded with antioxidants. Turmeric is loaded with powerful antioxidants, making it a superfood for your overall health. The main compound in turmeric, curcumin, helps neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which leads to cell damage and contributes to aging and chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. By drinking turmeric water, you provide your body with a natural defense system against these harmful molecules. Studies have shown that curcumin not only prevents oxidative damage, but also boosts the activity of your body's own antioxidant enzymes, giving you a double dose of protection. Number 4. Healthy skin. Turmeric is your secret to radiant, flawless skin. Packed with potent antioxidants, it fights off free radicals that cause premature aging, leaving your skin glowing and youthful. Curcumin, the magic ingredient in turmeric, reduces redness, acne, and blemishes, helping you achieve a clear, even complexion. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin and can even help with conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Whether you drink it as turmeric water or apply it as a face mask, this golden spice works wonders from the inside out, revealing smoother, brighter, and healthier skin. Unlock the glow with turmeric's natural beauty boost. Number 5. Supports heart health. Turmeric is a powerful ally for your heart health. The curcumin in turmeric improves blood circulation and helps reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, promoting healthy arteries and reducing the risk of heart disease. It also helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, keeping your heart and blood vessels clear. Additionally, curcumin prevents blood clots by improving the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels. Regularly consuming turmeric, whether through meals or turmeric water, can help protect your heart, reduce heart disease risk, and promote overall cardiovascular health. Number 6. Supports brain health. Turmeric is a brain-boosting powerhouse. The curcumin in turmeric not only fights inflammation, but also supports brain health in remarkable ways. It increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone essential for learning and memory. Low BDNF levels are linked to conditions like depression and Alzheimer's, so adding turmeric to your routine could improve mood, enhance cognitive function, and even protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Turmeric also helps clear amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's, keeping your mind sharp and active. Whether through turmeric water or adding it to meals, this golden spice is a true friend to your brain. Number 7. helps manage diabetes. Did you know that turmeric could be a game changer in managing diabetes? Research shows that its active compound, curcumin, works wonders by enhancing insulin sensitivity and helping regulate blood sugar levels. In fact, a study in diabetes care found that curcumin can even delay the onset of type 2 diabetes in those at risk. But that's not all. Turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help combat complications associated with diabetes. It also supports liver health, which is crucial for glucose balance. By adding turmeric to your daily routine, you're giving your body a natural, powerful boost in the fight against diabetes. Number 8. Helps manage weight. Turmeric is a game changer when it comes to managing weight. Its active compound, curcumin, helps boost your metabolism, making your body burn fat more efficiently. By reducing inflammation and regulating blood sugar levels, turmeric helps control cravings and prevents fat accumulation. Drinking turmeric water can also aid digestion, allowing your body to process food more effectively and prevent bloating. Additionally, turmeric supports the breakdown of fat cells, helping you slim down naturally. Incorporating this golden spice into your daily routine can accelerate your weight loss journey and help you achieve a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Number 9. Fights cancer. Turmeric is known for its potential cancer-fighting properties thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin has been shown to slow the growth of cancer cells and prevent the spread of certain types of cancer. It works by blocking pathways that cancer cells use to grow and by promoting apoptosis, or cell death, in harmful cells. Turmeric's powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects also help protect healthy cells from DNA damage. Including turmeric in your diet could be a natural way to support your body's defense against cancer. Number 10. Better sleep. Turmeric is a powerful secret to better, deeper sleep. Its star ingredient, curcumin, reduces inflammation and eases stress, helping your mind and body relax naturally. Plus, it boosts serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good chemicals that regulate mood and improve sleep quality. Imagine sipping a warm cup of turmeric milk before bed, letting its calming effects help you drift off peacefully. Adding turmeric to your nightly routine isn't just soothing. It could be the key to waking up refreshed and recharged every morning. There you have it, 10 incredible benefits of drinking turmeric water every day. From reducing inflammation to boosting your brain and skin health, this simple drink is packed with life-changing benefits. So, what are you waiting for? Start sipping on turmeric water and watch your health transform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay golden.